Good day, everyone. This is CDI 8, week 13. Our topic is other legal. So, what is other legal forms in CDI 8? It is an instrument or document to be employed in a legal transaction or a judicial proceeding. It contains of technical phrases and all terms. So, um, this is provided a words and terms nga ang usahay nga mga terms is ang makasabot lang ni ana nga kuan words is the investigators and the lawyers. So other legal forms naga-contains po siya of the description or details that is conducive to the adaptation of a particular case. So consists of the template of a legal documents. So like example, legal transaction. Construct from one person to the other. So next is judicial proceeding. So example is complaint affidavit, information, investigation report, all of that documents used for judicial proceeding. So ang kani nga mga terms is kuan kanang ang mga usahay kini na mga terms is ang mga investigators o ang mga lawyers ray makasabot kay ilahan na ning nastudihan, ilahan na ning na tackle sa ilahang mga studies, ilang nastudihan mga kini nga mga terms. So first term is the jurat. So jurat is that part of an affidavit in which the officer certifies that the instrument was sworn to be before them. It is used in affidavits, certifications, verifications, or whenever the person executing a document or instrument makes a statement or facts or attest to the truth of an occurrence of an event under oath. A jurat should only be used in affidavits, sworn statements, certifications, verifications, and the like, but never in contracts. So ang jurats is magamit lang ni siya sa affidavits, sworn statements, certifications, verifications, pero wala ni siya sa mga contracts, hindi siya ginagamit. So next is sworn attestation of the lawyer. So the judicial affidavit shall contain a sworn attestation at the end executed by the lawyer who conducted or supervised the examinations of the witness to effect that he faithfully recorded or caused to be recorded the questions he asked and corresponding answers that the witness gave. Neither he or any other person that then present or assisting him coach the witness regarding the latter's answers. So note, a false attestation shall subject the lawyer mentioned to disciplinary action, including disbarment. So next is acknowledgement. So acknowledgement, an act of one who has executed a deed in going before some competent officer or court and declaring to be his act deed. So next is notarial certificate. The notarial certificate is a composed assertion, marked and fixed by a legal official public, confirming the current realities of a notarial demonstration, refers to the part of or attachment to a notarized instrument or document that is completed by the notary public. Notarized document helps to verify that you are designing the document. So notarial certificate is mo na siya nga certificate nga nagbatuod nga nagpa-notarize ka sa isa ka lawyer. So the signing of the document. So next is a receipt of property seized. A document issued by the police officer after executing a search warrant. So ang receipt of property seized is ginagamit ni siya sa police officer before executing a search warrant. He must issue a detailed receipt of property seized to the lawful occupant of the premises. In absence of the occupant, a receipt must be left in place. Two witness rule. So next is certification of orderly search. A document certifying that the search was conducted in accordance with the law. Next is compliance, a return of a search warrant. Document made by the searching of police officer addressing to the court stating that the search warrant was successfully served. It is also applies when after the validity they fail to serve the warrant with corresponding justification. Next is the petition application to wiretap. So issued when there are reasonable grounds to believe that crime has been committed. Evidence will be obtained essential to conviction of suspect or the really available means to obtain evidence.
Next is warrant to intercept computer data or WICD. An order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines signed by a judge upon application of law enforcement authorities authorizing the latter to carry out any or all the or surveillance of the content of communication including procuring the content of computer data either directly through access and use of a computer system or indirectly through the use of the electronic eavesdropping or tapping devices at the same time that the communication is occurring. Ang kaning warrant to intercept computer data or WICD is mo ni siya ang makahatag lang ani is ang ang judge ray ani na na aplikasyon din ang ani sa mga law enforcement agency is para ni sa makabuhat sila o mga kaning mga aktibidad kaning pakikinig or listening o pagtatala or recording din pagsubaybay or kaning pagkuha pod sa mga information or gathering data. Then next is complete staff work or CSW. A complete staff work is a formal communication which contains a brief and exact analysis of situation resulting from true research made by its author because there is a specific problem or a specific problem area. This study provides the chief of unofficial reports of such analysis which helps him in making a decision on complex or controversial questions. Ang kaning complete staff work or CSW is mo ni siya ang pagkuhan sa mga law enforcement sa pag-adto sa specific problem or sa specific area, then maga-conduct pud sila mga studies bang kinahanglan pud sa or magkuha sila og official report. Then next is endorsement. An endorsement is a reply or a forwarding statement usually added to a letter. It is a communication within a communication. It becomes an integral part of the correspondence in its withdrawn from the basic communication to which it is appended. A communication being sent by endorsement or superior office is always respectfully forwarded or respectfully submitted and never referred or transmitted. If sent to an office at equal rank, it is respectfully transmitted. Ang kaning endorsement pod kay mao pod ni siya ang ah, example mag-endorse ka og isa ka tao pero sa isa ka highest rank or nakakataas sa imuha then ma-aproba po ni sa highest rank nimo is mao na to imong mga mahimo nga endorsement or example maghatag ka og mga information or activities then pag ma-okay po ni sa highest rank or sa imong mga kauban is mo po ni makahatag po kag idea. Then next is case operation plan or co-plan. Case operation plan or co-plan refers to a preparatory plan on how to carry out case operation. It refers to a definite target specific activity conducted in relation to an intelligence project under which it is affected. Several case operations may fall under one intelligence project. Case operation is the last resort measure to pursue intelligence objectives when normal police operations. Din kaning case operation plan or co-plan is mo po ni siya ang ato ang mga law enforcement agencies or atong mga police, CIDG, and SWAT, mo po ni sila ang naga-conduct og operation or physical operation, then adto po ni sila sa mga target area or naga-conduct mo ni mga specific activity, then kuha po ni sila og kaning isa lang ka intelligence para magkuan sa operation or mag-conduct. Next is summary of information. Summary of information or SOI is an intelligence report rendered regarding any illegal activity or violation of laws being observed by intelligence operatives within given area of responsibility. Diri sa summary of information is mao ni siya ang nagabutang sila mga intelligence sa isa ka area, then nagahatag po sila og mga information ang intelligence padulong sa mga operatives nga area. Then this is the usual basis of case operations. Hence information received should be cared, validated, counter-check, analyzed, and evaluate. Then katupong mga ipanghatag ng mga informations sa intelligence is iingon po to sa dapat sa highest rank, then dito na to i-validate, i-counter-check o analyze po o evaluate ang kung unsa to mga problem dito sa isa ka area. Then next is affidavit of birth, legal document used to verify the facts surrounding an individual's birth, a document acting as a written solemn oath that a birth occurred, used to prove citizenship. Din ri sa affidavit of birth mismo ning NSO or PSA nato, dire nato mo ni siya ang document, dire po nato makita ang mga information o kanang sa tagipanganak, o kinsa tong mama, papa, atong information. Then dire po makuan sa kung taga dire bata sa Pilipinas or prove jud tang Filipino citizenship. Next is affidavit of disinterested persons. an affidavit of two